Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Love is not about how many days, months, or years you have been together. It's about how much you love each other every single day. A great relationship is about two things. First, appreciating the similarities, and second, respecting the differences. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. In true love, the smallest distance is too great, and the greatest distance can be bridged. Relationships last, not because they were destined to last, but because two brave people made a choice to keep it, fight for it, and work for it. I saw that you were perfect, and so I loved you. Then I saw that you were not perfect, and I loved you even more. A strong relationship requires choosing to love each other even in those moments when you struggle to like each other. Love isn't something you find. Love is something that finds you. The best thing to hold on to in life is each other. When someone loves you, the way they talk about you is different. You feel safe and comfortable. A true relationship is two imperfect people refusing to give up on each other. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. We loved with a love that was more than love. The best relationships are the ones you never saw coming. Being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. You are the love that came without warning. You had my heart before I could say no. I didn't choose you, my heart did. Every time I see you, I fall in love all over again. When I saw you, I fell in love, and you smiled because you knew. Forever is a long time, but I wouldn't mind spending it by your side.